In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to recover lost files or mistakenly deleted files. To do this, we're going to need a third-party application. Go to your browser, search for Recover. Tap on enter, click on the official link. Now we're going to download the free version. Click on this icon, and here again we're going to choose free download. Click on that. Click on download again. Now we're going to install it. Select yes if prompted. Click on install. Now we're going to click on run recover. Click on next. You have options here to choose precisely what kind of file you would like to recover. You see that you choose all files. If you want just pictures, you can choose the pictures. And for video, you can choose video. So you can actually select specifically what kind of file you want to recover. Otherwise, you can just click on all files. After making your choice, click on next. So if it was deleted, it's probably going to be in the recycle bin. On the contrary, you can scan a specific location. So if I select in a specific location, then click on browse. Here you can actually target a specific location. If I minimize this, you can see I have my external drive here. So if you have any external drive like your pen drive, your hard disk, SD card, just plug it in to your computer, highlight on your pen drive and click on OK. So now it's going to only scan the pen drive. I want to scan the Windows C, that is my local disk on my computer. I'm going to select this one and click on OK. Click next. For higher chance of recovery, it's advisable to check on enable deep scan. This way it's going to make a thorough scan for any lost file or any deleted file. Only disadvantage is that the deep scan takes a long time. Before we proceed, it's advisable to create a folder. So I'm going to create a folder real quick. Right click on here, go to new and select folder. And now I'm going to name it recovered. Press enter. Now proceed to click on start. Once it has finished scanning, we can see right here that there are some files that are recovered. If you observe the circles here, you see some green, some orange and red. Green stands for excellent. These are files that are fully recovered and of good quality, while the orange is very poor and this red actually are files sadly that cannot be recovered. You have two options. You can either check on this to recover everything, or you can take some time to check on the one you want. Highlight specifically on the ones that you want to recover. Okay. Once you're done with checking on the files that you want to recover, navigate to the bottom right, then click recover. This is where we get to select the location where we want the files to be recovered to. Go to desktop and expand this, highlight on the folder we created earlier, then click on OK. If you get this prompt, just click on yes. Now click on OK. I'm going to minimize these. Now if you go onto this folder, so these are the files that were recovered. Actually, this is a free application. You can try it out, use it, and this is not a paid advert. This is just me recommending this application to you to use it, and hopefully you get that file you're looking for. So that's it, guys. Subscribe to this channel for more. Have a nice day.